Four MLAs of National People's Party NPP who defected to BJP-led government in Manipur have been directed to submit written statements to the Speaker's Tribunal of Manipur Legislative Assembly by February 11th. A notification issued by Assembly Secretary K. Meghajit on February 4th has confirmed that the proceedings for the disqualification case against NPP MLAs Zhangimlung Panmai of Tamenglong constituency, Thongam Shanti of Moirang, Iremam Nalini of Oinam and Meanglamam Rameshwar of Kakching will be held on February 12th at 9:30 a.m. The MLAs have been instructed to attend in person or designate authorized representatives to appear before the Speaker's Tribunal. It may be mentioned that the disqualification case was filed on January 28th by Harish Goswami, Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, following the MLA's announcement on November 18th, who declared that they would not support Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's government, citing the government's failure to resolve the ongoing crisis in Manipur that began in May 2023. He alleged that NPP Manipur unit continues to support the BJP-led government despite its announcement.